Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Action, Karma Yoga, Chapter 3, Shloka 17, 18, 19. But the man who rejoices only in the self, who is satisfied with the self, who is content in the self alone, for him verily there is nothing more to be done.
Chapter 3, Shloka 17. यस्त्वात्मरतिरेव स्यात् आत्मतृप्तश्च मानवः आत्मन्येव च सन्तुष्टः तस्य कार्यं न विद्यते.
For him there is no interest whatever in what is done or what is not done, nor does he depend upon any being for any object.
Chapter 3, Shloka 18. नैव तस्य कृतेनार्तो नाकृतेनेह कश्चन न चास्य सर्वभूतेषु कश्चिदर्थव्यपाश्रयः.
Therefore, always perform action which should be done without attachment. For by performing action without attachment, man attains the supreme.
Chapter 3, Shloka 19. तस्मादसक्तः सततं कार्यं कर्म समाचर असक्तो ह्याचरन् कर्म परमाप्नोति पूरुषः.
Chapter 3, Shloka 17, 18 and 19. The wheel of action was explained in the previous shloka. Now it is explained to whom it is applicable. Lord explains that for majority of seekers whose inner personalities are disintegrated and have not developed single pointedness, yagna is a must. Through selfless actions, the inner poise is developed for meditation. When you gain the experience of transcending the limited ego, to such a person, work is not a means of exhausting the vasanas, but it is a fulfillment of his own God realization. Earlier, the work is to gain more satisfaction and contentment. But after experiencing the self by removing the wrong identifications, the experience of the divine nature is complete satisfaction and eternal contentment. Desires don't arise, and so no action is possible, as the ignorance which is the cause of desire, thought, action is not there. For such a person, there is no obligatory duty left. He is free to act or not to act and lives like a God-man upon the earth. Shloka number 18. Here it is clarified that for the God-man, there is no interest in the world whatsoever, in what is done or what is not done. Also, he doesn't depend on any object or being of the world. Because of the complete contentment and satisfaction experienced, he has no interest in gaining anything through activity or fear of losing anything. He becomes the subject on which the objects dance as modifications of the mind. Shloka number 19. After explaining the wheel of action and giving logical arguments about why to act, how to act, and still when to act, Lord concludes and goads Arjuna to act. He asks him to always do all obligatory duties to himself, to the community, and to the world, but without attachment. By doing so, he attains the Supreme. More in the next shloka in the next video. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita, commentary by Swami Chinmayananda, available. To understand Gita, join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online till you can answer the following questions.